Is your jeans zipper broken? Don't throw your jeans away. Let me show you how to replace it the right way. The only thing we need for this job is a new zipper and a sewing machine. Let's get started. First, carefully remove the entire old zipper. Before we move forward, like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. To remove the zipper, use any tool you're comfortable with. I prefer using a blade. Removing the zipper is a very important step. Take your time, don't rush, and try not to damage the jeans. As you can see, I've removed the zipper. Now I'm going to remove the 2 rows of top stitching on the placket. Take your time, be careful, and make sure you don't damage the jeans. Before moving to the sewing machine, let me show you how to position the new zipper the right way. Place the zipper face down inside the placket and align it as straight as possible along the edge. Let's move to the sewing machine. Place the zipper face down on the placket and make sure it's aligned in a straight line. And stitch it carefully. Cut off the excess zipper at the top. After attaching the zipper to the placket, we need the right jeans thread for the top stitching. Carefully sew the top stitching, following the original stitch line we opened earlier. Now the zipper and placket are sewn onto the pants. Let's move to the other side. Position the zipper carefully along the original line and sew a straight stitch. It's time to check that everything is working properly. Once everything looks good, we can close the top part. Sew this part very slowly and carefully because it's thick and the needle can break. The final step is to tack the two plackets together on the inside. The zipper is replaced and the jeans are ready to wear again. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more professional alteration tutorials.